Shio gives me no trouble. The matchmaker will find a good husband for her. It is Mulan I worry about. They'll call her a witch.
No, I'm going to stop it. No such stuff again.
Oh, yeah. It's time.
And Hua Jun did die. For a lie can only live so long. But Mulan lived.
She got that.
Terry, get your ass in here, mate.
A group of friends think they find an easy squad.
Can we finish checks now, please? Thank you. Rider comes galloping in, gives you the news from Paris. Get out of here, no time to lose. Barbara's halt on their way, blah, blah, blah. Now, you're...
Dina's have to go in before the school opens. And she says, will you come in? She went, you know, you've got a life, ain't you? She says, I've got boys, I've got meals to cook, and I went, I know. She says, I don't know whether it was a cooking or...
You can't picture it and block it out of my mind at the same time. Oh God. How's now?